and friends. Today I will explain operators in C. Before discussing operators in C, actually there are 8 types of operators in C. While discussing 8 types of operators, first of all everyone should know categories of operators. C language will support 3 categories of operators. They are number 1, unary operator. Number 1, unary operator. Number 2, binary operators. Unary operators, binary operators. Third one is ternary operators. C language will support 3 categories of operators. Unary operators, binary operators. Third one is ternary operators. All of you know the meaning of unary means 1. The meaning of binary is 2. The meaning of ternary is 3. What about, we will discuss one by one. What about unary operator? For example, I am taking a value 10. I am taking a value 10. I want to take, that means I want to take this value as negative value, minus 10. Then how we will write? A equal to minus 10. Means minus is applicable on single value. An operator is applicable on single value or operand is referred as unary operator. Next, binary operators. Binary means 2. An operator requires at least 2 operands. An operator requires at least 2 operands is referred as binary operator. Most of you know that operators means plus, minus, star, divide by mod. Plus, minus, star, divide by mod. What is the purpose of all these symbols? After taking data, on the data I have to perform addition, I have to perform subtraction, I have to perform multiplication, I want to perform division. Okay, mod is also used to perform division only. After taking data, on the data, if we have to perform operations on the data, we are going to use operators. Operators are mainly used to perform operations on the data. Operators are classified into how many categories? 3 categories. Unary operators, binary operators, ternary operators. Coming to unary operator, operator applicable on single value is referred as unary operator. Binary operator means operator requires at least 2 operands, 2 values. For example, what is the purpose of plus? Plus is used to add. Okay, can I write 10 plus? No. To perform addition, I require at least how many values? 2 values. 10 plus 20, 5 plus 4. When I am going to perform addition requires at least 2 values. The same way, when I am going to perform multiplication, 5 star 3, 4 star 2. To perform star, simply can I write 4 star? No. To perform product, multiplication, at least I require 2 values. That means an operator is when you are going to perform operation on data using some operator, it requires at least 2 values. Then it will come under the category of binary operators. Third one is ternary operator, which requires at least 3, is referred as ternary operator. Okay, these are the 3 categories of operators. In our C language, we have different types of operators. C language will support 8 types of operators. Almost all operators will come under the category of binary operators only. Among them, some of them will come under the category of unary operator, some of them will come under the category of binary operator, some of them will come under the category of ternary operators. So, when you are going to work with operator, don't get confused. Types of operators means we have to list out different types of operators supported by C language. Categories of operators means we have to talk about unary operator, binary operator, ternary operator. Okay, it is clear to all of you. Now, different types of operators. Now we will talk about different types of operators. Coming to C language, to perform, okay, operation on the data. That means I am taking some data. To perform operation on the data, we have to use operators. To perform operation on the data, C language will support 8 types of operators. They are number 1, arithmetic operators. Number 1, arithmetic operators. Number 2, relational operators. Number 3, logical operators. Number 4, assignment operators. Number 5, increment/decrement operators. Increment/decrement operators. Number 6, bitwise operators. Arithmetic operator, relational, logical, assignment, increment, decrement, bitwise operators. 7th one is conditional operators. And the 8th one is special operators. These are the different types of operators supported by C language. First one is arithmetic operators. You know, plus, minus, star, divide by, mod. These are used to perform arithmetic operation on the data. Hence, they are referred as arithmetic operators. All these, plus will require at least 2 values. Minus will require at least 2 values. Star will require at least 2 values. Division will require at least 2 values. Mod also will require at least 2 values. Hence, they will come under the category of binary. Now, some of you will raise one doubt. Sir, we are going to use minus to specify sign of a value. To work with negative value, we have to use minus symbol. Okay, I can use minus symbol to perform subtraction. We can use minus operator. We can use minus operator to specify sign of a value. When you are going to specify sign of a value, if you use minus, then it is applicable on single variable, single operand. Hence, it is unary. We are going to use minus to perform subtraction. It requires at least 2 values. Then it will come under binary. So, minus is called unary minus. Unary minus is used to specify negative values. In the same way, subtraction. When you are going to perform subtraction, if you are going to use minus, it will come under the category of binary operator. The remaining all of them, plus, star, divide by, mod will come under the category of binary only. Minus will come into both categories, unary and binary. Okay, that is about arithmetic. I will explain one by one without taking more time. Okay, these are the different types of operators. First, we will talk about arithmetic operators. What are arithmetic operators? Plus, minus, star, divide by, and mod. As you know that plus will perform addition, 10 plus 20. Minus will perform subtraction, 20 minus 10. Star, 20 star 10. But you will get one doubt. What is the purpose of divide by and mod? Both will do division only. Both will do division only. These two are very important. They will ask you lot of interview questions on these two operators. Divide by will perform division. Mod also will perform division. For example, I am going to use int a equal to 10, comma b equal to 2, comma c, comma d. C equal to a divided by b, semicolon, d equal to a mod b. Sir, what is the result? I have taken, how many variables we are using? 4 variables. Draw boxes. A value 10, b value 2, this is c variable. We did not store any data, by default garbage value, d value garbage value. C equal to a divided by b. Substitute a value 10 divided by 2. How many times? 5 2 is 10, 10 minus 10, 0. We are using which operator? Divide by operator. Answer is this one. What is the value? 5. Where it is stored? Under the name C. C value becomes. Next, D equal to A mod B. Substitute A value 10, B value 2. 10 divided by 2. How many times? 5 2 is 10, 10 minus 10, 0. Which operator I am using? Mod. Answer is remainder. Okay, what is the answer? 0. So, both divide by and mod, this is called mod. Divide by and mod is used to perform division only. Divide by will give you quotient as answer, mod will give you remainder as answer. Okay, suppose I am going to give like this, a equal to 2, b equal to 10. Okay, now again c equal to a mod a divided by b, d equal to a mod b. A value now 2, b value 10, c equal to a divided by b, a value 2 divided by 10. Normally, when we are going to do division, this 10 cannot divide 2. Manually, when you are going to do, we will put point and we will add 0. But here, not like that. It will check this 10 can divide 2 one time or not, 2 time or not, 3 times or not. It will not. 10 cannot divide 2 one time. It cannot divide 2 times. It cannot divide 3 times. Obviously, it will divide how many times? 0 times. Means because 10 cannot divide 2 one time, 2 times, 3 times. So it will take 0 times. 0 times 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Here operator, divide by operator. Answer is quotient. C value 0. D equal to A mod B. Again, A value 2, B value 10. Because divide by will do division, mod also will do division only. Now substitute A value 2, B value 10. 2 divided by 10. Again, 10 cannot divide 2. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Then obviously it will divide how many times? 0 times. 0 times 0. 2 minus 0, 2. Which operator? Mod operator. So answer is remainder. Where it is stored? Under the name D. This is another very important question, interview question. In most of the interviews they will ask you by giving values like that. Okay? Most of the students by putting points they will give answer. Don't do like that. This is the way of doing it. This is regarding arithmetic operators. See, when you are going to use divide by mod, at least they require how many values? 2 values. Hence, they are referred as binary operators. This is regarding arithmetic operators. Second one is relational operators. Second one is relational operators. Second one is relational operators. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. In your mathematics, we will write like this, greater than or equal to. But in computer science we should not write like this. We have to write greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, not equal to, double equal to. All these are relational operators. Okay. What is the purpose of greater than? In our mathematics also we are going to use greater than 100, greater than 200. Yes or no? Okay. To find out biggest value, I can take 3 values, 4 values, 5 values. But at least if we have to use greater than, at least it requires how many values? 2 values. Either it may be greater than or less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, double equal to. It may be any operator. They require at least how many values? 2 values. Hence, all these relational operators will come under the category of binary. That's why while explaining categories of operators, we have 8 types of operators. Among these 8 types, most of them will come under the category of binary category only. Arithmetic operators excluding minus. Minus can be used for unary and binary. But when you are going to work with relational operators, all relational operators will come under the category of binary only. After taking 2 values, which value is biggest, which value is smallest. Okay. Greater than or equal to 100, greater than or equal to 100. 10 greater less than or equal to 20. Either less than or equal to, both conditions. Okay. Not equal to 10, not equal to 5. 10 and 5 is not equal to. We have to use exclamation mark and equal symbol. Please all of you see here double equal to. This double equal to is called comparison operator. It will come under the category of relational operators only, but it is referred as comparison operator because in your mathematics to compare values, to compare 2 values, we will take 10 equal to 20. Means 10 and 20 equal or not. But in our computer science, it may be any programming, either C programming or Java programming or Python programming. To compare values, we have to use double equal to 10 double equal 20. This one and this one is equal or not. Okay. All these operators are used to find out the relation between one value and other value. Whether greater, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, double equal to. That means whether equal or not. To do that one, we are going to use all these operators. Hence, these are referred as relational operators. All relational operators will come under the category of binary. Please all of you remember one thing. All relational operators will give you answer as 0 or 1. When you are going to use relational operators, they will give you result as 0 or 1. What it means, sir? Listen carefully. I am writing like this. I will give you an example here. Please see here. I am taking 100 greater than 20. 100 greater than 20. Condition true or false? True. If condition is true, answer is 1. Condition is false, answer is 0. Suppose if you write x equal to 100 greater than 20. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Then answer is 1. Sir, I want to check it. Printf. Where our result is there, underline x. X is holding what value? If condition is true, answer is 1. Condition is false, answer is 0. To print that value, print x is holding integer value. To print integer value, use %d. Result is under the name x. Simple. Okay. 100 greater, for example, I am writing like this. 100 greater than 200. Condition false. Condition false means it will give you answer as 0. It is stored under the name what? X. Printf %dx. All of you remember one thing, that note as all relational operators in our C language will return either 0 or 1. If the condition is true, you will get answer as 1. Condition is false. Whatever condition we are checking, either using greater than, less than, greater than, equal, less than, equal to, that condition is false. You will get result as 0. Okay. So all relational operators will return either 0 or 1. Condition is true means 1. Condition is false means 0. That is about relational operators. Arithmetic over, relational over. Next one is logical operators. 2 ampersand, logical, and 2 pipe symbols, logical or exclamation mark, logical not. All these two aspects, these two are used to check more than one conditions. To check more than one condition. For example, I am taking 3 values A, B, C. I have to find out which value is biggest value. If I have to find out A is biggest, A greater than B and A greater than C. If you use and, this should be true, this should be true. When you are going to use and, it is used to check more than one condition within a single statement. If you use and, if we will write n number of conditions, if all are true, result is true. If any one is false, any two is false, all are false, false only. That is the purpose of and. Or logical are also used to check more than one condition. A greater than B or A greater than C. When you are going to check more than one condition, I can write any number of conditions. 3, 4, A greater than B or A greater than C or A greater than D. If I write n number of conditions, if any one condition is true, result is true. If any two is also true, you will get false. If all are false, only false. Okay. Next one, logical not. For example, not of 100 greater than 20. 100 greater than 20 condition is what? Tell me first. True. Okay. We are writing not true. Not true means condition is what? False. Okay. If condition is false, what is the result? You get 0. For example, 100 greater than 200. Not of 100 greater than 200. First of all, 100 greater than 200. Condition is false. False. But I am writing not operator. Not of false. Not false means, it is not false means what is the meaning of that? True. Okay. If it is true, just now I explained. If it is true, it will return 1. It is false, it will return 0. Not false means true. You will get answer as 1. That means if you use not, we will get opposite results. Condition is true, result is false. Condition is false, result is true. That is regarding logical operators. Next one, assignment operators. Next one is assignment operators. Assignment operators. A equal to 100. What is the meaning of this? Under the name A, I am going to store value 100. 100 is stored under the name A. To store value 100 under the name A, we are using single equal to. Then I already explained. Okay, close the left side variable. What is the value here? 100. Now where it is stored? Under the name A. To store 100 under the name A, we are using single equal to. Hence it is referred as assignment operators. In the same way, for example, if I write x equal to 10 plus 20 plus 30. If you write like this, first forget about this. Left side value. Left side variable. 10 plus 20 plus 30. 60. Where it is stored? Now it is stored under the name x. Now x value becomes 60. To store value under the name to a variable name, we are going to use single equal to. Hence single equal to is referred as assignment operators. While working with assignment operators, they will ask you some important questions. What is a shorthand assignment operators? Before that, they will ask you what is the difference between single equal to and double equal to. Single equal to is referred as assignment operator. Double equal to is referred as comparison operator. To compare 10 and 20 are equal or not. 10 and 20 are not equal. This condition is true or false? Condition is false. If condition is true, answer is 1. Condition is false, answer is 0. If 10 and 10 are equal, 10 equal, to compare two values, in mathematics we will use single equal to, but in programming we have to use double equal to. Hence double equal to is referred as comparison operator. Single equal to store value under the name x or y something, to assign value to some variable, we are going to use single equal to. Single equal to is referred as assignment. On assignment operator, there are some interview questions. What about plus equal to? What about minus equal to? What about star equal to? What about divide by equal to? What about mod equal to? These are referred as shorthand assignment operators. These are referred as shorthand assignment operators. If we have to write a equal to a plus 5, in shortcut I can write a plus equal to 5. X equal to x plus 100. In shortcut I can write x plus equal to 100. B equal to b minus 5. B minus equal to 5. That means b equal to b minus 5 can be written as b minus equal to 5. In shortcut we can write x equal to x plus 100 can be written as x plus equal to 100. A equal to a plus 5 can be written in shorthand as a plus equal to 5. Hence these are referred as shorthand assignment operators. These are very, very important for your interview. These are the 4 types of operators we discussed so far: arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment. The remaining 4 types of operators will be covered in next video. If you have any doubt, please comment in comment section. I will respond to your queries. Go through this video, like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.